So all you have to do is copy and paste this dot and you will be making $13 per minute, which is over 708 in one single hour. So inside of this video not only will I show you how you can make almost $800 in a single hour, but I'm also gonna be giving you some free tools. I'm gonna show you how you can do this from anywhere in the world. If we're absolutely free, and along the video, I will be giving you some sacred tips and tricks. How you can maximize your results with the strategy. Make way more than others. When I said you can make $780 in a single hour, I was actually low balling it. You can even make more than that, so it's gonna be a super exciting video. It's a really good strategy. And right before we start, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'm posting videos about making money online every single. If you want my #1 recommendation for making money online, that's gonna be the first link down below this video. I see if you hear the bell I could either notify you would never have a new fresh strategy like this one to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use a strategy. That way you will be one step ahead of your competitors, and of course you'll make the most money. With that being said, well, we'll jump straight into my computer. Stay tuned all the way to the end of this video, not skip anything. Because if you skip something you're just gonna get confused and you will never be able to make almost $800 in a single hour. Where the strategy. So in order to make this work, you need to stay tuned all the way to the end and not skip anything, because along the way, I will also be giving you some tips and tricks and secrets on how you can maximize your results and how you can make way more than others. And as well, I'm gonna show you how you can do this from anywhere in the world. The first website that we are going to be using is called Pidera or Pidera. It doesn't really matter, and just keep watching, because as I said, we've all combining this platform with some other websites. I'm not just going to tell you like go to this website in public surveys. Because by the way, this website allows you to make money with different ways, like completing surveys, completing offers, completing some tasks, watching videos and stuff like that. So basically, it's all in one place, where you can make money with different ways. Why I really like this website is because they have unlimited tasks. So if you want to do surveys, if you want to complete surveys, if you want to complete those tasks, if you want to answer some questions and stuff, you can definitely make quite a bit of money just by clicking. That's it, because those surveys are not gonna be some market research surveys where you need to complete them for like half an hour to make $10 or whatever. They're really sweet and short, because those surveys are you just need to click. You don't need to answer those surveys actually. As well, I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside of the dashboard. Looks once you create an account, once you log into your account. You can also invite friends to this website. And one more thing they're like about this website is that they have instant payments towards the minimum payment, and request your instant payment easily 24 hours per. In Facebook, what you need to do is just search for the Make Money Online group. Search for the Work on Having group. Search for everything that is related to working from home, making money online, making money from the internet. Because there you can find bunch of people they're interested in making money online. For example, this group right here that I'm joined. So you'll just need to copy this right here, the script, interested in making money online. This free app has unlimited offers for you. Sign up here, and then you all ready for a link. Just place your referral link right here. Let me just place mine, so I can show you how it works. So it's like this, sign up here and just have your referral link, copy that, paste it over here, over there, and you can also leave your referral link in the comment section down below. I will remove it from the spam, so you can get even more signups if you want to. This is an okay way of making money online. You could definitely make a few $100, but these earning alright are like a part-time job getting paid minimum wage. Alright, you're gonna start earning money. In 2009, I was doing fast food parcel job. It was great, I didn't know any better, like that was the most money I've ever received. Because it was my first. But as time goes on you realize that your time is being undervalued. And you could probably relate with this. They are repaying you the minimum payment that they can. Okay, that was me here. I knew I wasn't gonna achieve financial freedom. I drop out college for failed continuously. My family was fallen in debt in 2010. I was tried for get some handful money. I looked in online tutorial, I implemented those. But failed and failed every time. In 10 years online journey, now in 2020 you look my live income. That's crazy like. Yes, now I have financial freedom, small but beautiful house. No debt in my family. Oh, no, I am not getting any treasure. I meet people all the time who are discouraged and overwhelmed by life. You've probably met people like this, too. Trying circumstances have disappointed them, and they feel like giving up. If you are not living the ideal life, it is time for a change. Yes, if you click the first link down below this video, you're gonna get 3 types of freedom. Money freedom, time freedom, geo freedom. Looking at my phone notifications going of $1,000. Here $1,000. They're landing in my bank account. You're gonna find out exactly how I was able to do that, by clicking the link down below this video. This action can unlocks the secrets to your future $9,259.74 per month. Because I am about to reveal every secret from my success. The freedom to live anywhere does not need to be exotic. Maybe you just want to live on the other side of your city. The problem is the commute is a pain in the ass. Now you can live wherever you want. Whether that's an Indonesian beach, or a comfortable house outside the city. You choose. I know you've been burned before. We all have. So you're gonna get all of that down below in the first link. In this below this video, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, comment, and go ahead and watch this playlist. I've included right here, on all the ways on how to make money online. Take care you.